Good morning, coffee lovers. So, this is a steam espresso machine. And from what I researched and watched on YouTube, it seems like they are very low pressure. And I'm not expecting a lot from them. But having a basket that's really sit loose in the plastic portafilter, it does not inspire confidence. This steam pressure machine will spit out as much water as you put in. So, as a easy way of measuring how much water extracted, I thought I would weigh the water first and put in exactly how much I want out. And for the first few cups, I wanted to try 1 to 2 ratio, like in classic espresso. For this cup, I ground it for an espresso shot. So that's my normal grind size. And I wanted to see if it could pull a proper espresso shot. And it kind of surprised me because I got a little bit of taste of the Ethiopia beans. But as you can see, the pressure was so much so that it kind of leaked water from up top. But I corrected it by tightening as much as I can. Now I wanted to see if I could try the steam wad. So I slowly loosened the top. I let the steam out and then I poured in just a little bit of water. The steam wad was incredibly strong. It's stronger than my DeLonghi Dedica. Really nice steam wad, this one. So I kind of knew that it would need another 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the steam to get ready. What I didn't like was that there's no control really. So if you turn to steam, it will take 2 minutes and 30. And when it's ready to steam, it will just pop out immediately. So it gives you no control over when to steam. It's really easy to make a mess this way. It's definitely under extracted. So this first shot pull is a fine grind. But I noticed that with the espresso grind, even though you're not getting like 100% extraction, I'm able to taste a little bit of that Ethiopian cinnamon bean. With a coarser grind, I did eventually get really nice looking shot from this, but it got rid of the specialty bean taste and it just was a little bit bitter, kind of like a mocha. Yeah, it just tasted like a mocha.